after CJ so that she would have a good life with a good pack.
Wow.
It looks great.
Hey, you want to hear a song I wrote about you, Max?
I never got tired of hearing CJ say my name. I had a lot of lives, all different. Sometimes I was big, and sometimes I was small.
Here's Papa.
So many ups and downs. Even Gloria came around once in a while. I trained her to play. So many goodbyes. He'd been with me so many times when I had to leave. Now, I got to be with him. So many people. Through it all, I let the people I loved know just how much I loved them.
How's he doing?
He's just been lying there all day.
You're a good boy, Max.
The best. Where would we be without you? You're a good dog, Molly, Max. You're such a good dog.
Lying there with my girl holding me, I can feel it happening again. I knew I was saying goodbye, but I wasn't sad.
The end will fall. The end will start. I'll be here with you.
I knew this to be true. My name was Bailey, and Molly, and Big Dog, and Max. I was a good dog, a boss dog. I knew that loving people was my ultimate purpose, and that being here, now, loving them forever, was my reward.
Boss dog. Come on, buddy.